How to decide which social media platforms to use for your business. Social media sites like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and Instagram have become the prominent social networking tools for millions of online marketing hopefuls. A vast number of users are using these channels to push out hundreds of thousands of links that promote goods and services. But the question is, how can you choose the best social media platform for your business? There are many channels to choose from, but it largely depends on the nature of your business, your ultimate goals, and which platforms your target audience uses. Here are a few tips on how to choose the right social media platform for your business. First, consider your ultimate goals. Maintaining a social media presence takes lots of effort. As such, knowing what you wish to achieve with your social media channel will help you choose the right platform. Of course, the end goal is to engage your customers and increase profitability. While the ultimate goal of every business is to generate revenue, different organizations have different objectives for their social media plan. Knowing what you want to achieve will help you in choosing the best channel for your business needs. Next, know who your target audience is. Now that you know what your end goals are, you need to know who you're trying to reach. When you figure out who your target audience is, it is easier to find out where they mostly hang out and what they care about. People between the ages of 18 to 34 hang out on new social sites like Snapchat, while more mature people can be found on sites like Twitter, Facebook, and Google+. If you're not sure, look at where your competitors invest their time and where they get the most engagement. Next, find out what your audience wants. Figure out what gets your audience most excited on social media. Once you have determined what your audience wants, invest more time on the platforms they use most so that you can connect with them on their home ground. If you are unsure, see what other similar businesses are doing and what response they get from their audience. If videos seem to be doing well, then you can be certain that platforms such as YouTube and Facebook will be great for your brand. Next, determine what you have time for. As stated earlier, maintaining a social media channel takes lots of effort. Therefore, choose one that you will be able to do easily and consistently. Some platforms are time-consuming to maintain, while others would take less of your time to maintain. If you only have an extra hour every day for social media, keep your reach limited to 1 or 2 social networks that will make an impact. If you are short on time and think you have to be on multiple channels, consider outsourcing your social media management. There you have it. Our tips on how to choose the best social media channel for your business. Whatever your choice, it's a good idea to choose a platform that will help you achieve your business goals and reflect your business values.